Hi, Miss Kira. So
Hi.
today we're going to be learning about onset and rhyme. And I know that sounds a little tricky or confusing. Does it sound a little difficult? Promise you it's not. I know you're going to get this. No problem, okay? So I just wanted to do this exercise to give us a little extra practice. Because I noticed when we were writing our sight words and our spelling words, we were having some trouble, okay? So the onset of a word is the beginning sound of a word. And that is the sound before the vowel. Do you know what our vowels are?
A-E-I-O-U.
Good job. That is so awesome, Kira. You're right. So rhyme are the letters that are at the end, and that includes the vowel. Tell me what our vowels are again.
A-E-I-O-U.
Perfect job, Kira. So I gave us some examples here of how these words are separated. So in the word bug, what's that first sound you hear?
B.
B. So what's the B make?
B.
B. And then we have the word chunk here, ugh. So how we would do that is, for this next activity that we have coming up, we would put our first sound here, b. The last sound, ugh. Put it together, bug. Right, good job. And then we have the same thing with hug. Hug. Good job. And then what's the last one? Tug. Tug. Very good job. Okay, so we have 3 word chunks that we're going to be working with for this, okay? So we have and then I think we have at, and then in. So for and, we're going to have our rhyme here. Remember, our rhyme is the stuff that's at the end of the word, okay? We then are going to have a couple different pictures come up, okay? I want you to think long and hard about what these pictures are. Can. You're beating me to it. You got that so good. Right, so we have, not yet. We have can, right, which is, that's our onset. And, can. Good job, and that and is our rhyme. So let's move on. And, fan. Good job, you are killing this, Kira. And our last one, and, can. Good job. All right, so now our next word chunk is at, and we're gonna have 3 different words, okay? All right, so we have our at. Where's our at go? It goes on our right. It goes on our right side, right? So what's our first one? So at, bat. Good job. Other way. At, hat. Good job. You got it. You're killing it, girl. All right, what's our left?
Cat.
At, cat. Go. You got it. All right, so this is our last word chunk here. It's in. So I know you can do this one all on your own because you've been doing them so good on the other ones. So I'm going to do it. Wait for me. Don't jump again. You got this. So we have in, right? So where's our in go? In, right? That's our last part of the word. So what do we have here?
Fin.
Good job. You got that. You're so fast with this.
Win.
In, win. Good job. You got it. All right, so that takes us to our worksheet here, miss. So on this worksheet, I need you to write your name first at the top like we always do. So what I want you to do for this is, if you don't need to use your hands, which I don't think you need to, but if you feel like you need to, go ahead. But what I want you to do is say the word, okay? So like for instance, what is this?
And.
So say it together. Fan. So what's that first letter that you hear in it?
F.
But what's that sound make? Perfect. So make sure you write the first letter right there, and then I want you to write the full word underneath it. And then, yeah, there you go. And then Miss Kira, in this word that you wrote below here, can you please underline or color the F for me? That just further emphasizes what our first sound is, right? All right, so I want you to go ahead and do all the other ones, but I want you to tell me, just like you did with this one.
Cat.
So what's that? Good job. Now go ahead and write that full thing. Do when you think about it? Yeah, there you go. Because remember the at, that was our last chunk, right?
Mhm.
You didn't tell me that one.
Fin.
And you forgot to do your color. Do your color for this one right here. What letter are you coloring?
C.
Yep. Good job. So what's that next one?
F. F.
It's okay. Here, I'll hold on to it for you while you write your word.
F. N. Fin.
Very good. Go ahead and color that. And what's that sound make?
F.
Good job. All right, what's our last one here?
Can.
Can. Good job, Kira. All right, go ahead and color that first letter. Good job. And what's that sound make? Good job. All right, let's go ahead and go over it. So we have our and fan, at cat, and fin, and then we have and can. Good job, Kira. Very good work.